Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Ka umdi basnyambak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Aananda Foundation karpusan untuk lebih arajar Briew ke Pynbna bahkan ajeng Kyrshan Pisa Eligibility bedanjing Duna ke Dkhotmet hakat hajate lamingi barakaway haga jing kran bikilar pthai kubor kinam penya jongka foundation kila pentip bagi nang apply ya ke jing Kyrshan Pisa kila ban apply link bak website kabla ikerteng www.aanandafoundation.org.
The foundation has been established in Guwahati, and it's in the loving memory of our parents, Minati and Suresh Rajkaur. Now, their lives were guided by compassion, generosity, and a deep sense of responsibility towards others, values that continue to shape everything we do. So, at the heart of the foundation, which is the Aananda Foundation, Aananda, as you probably would have guessed, is about joy, and this strapline for our foundation is the joy of sharing. And I'll come to why we're talking about joy of sharing. The essence of the foundation, or what drives us in the foundation, is that we feel that every child deserves a fair chance. And every child deserves to feel included, to be supported, and to live with dignity. And this is particularly more important for those children with disabilities who are often left in the margin. So we do recognize that across Northeast India there are a number of organizations and individuals who work round the clock with such children, and they work tirelessly to support not only the children but their families. And the driving force behind the foundation is that we would like to recognize the work of such individuals, try and support them through small grants and financial initiatives so that they can carry on with their work. It's not a massive amount of funding that we have, but in a small way, that's the way we want to start. Now, in addition to the fact that there is a financial grant which is available, the other guiding philosophy is that we wish to develop a community of such practitioners and scholars who are working in this area. So the pack that we have given you contains a couple of things. One is there's a poster at the back which tells what the grant is about, inviting applications. There are also two small sketches, biographical sketches of both our parents, to give you a context about who they were and why we have set up this foundation, and a small write-up to guide you for how you want to spread it to your wider audience. So we look forward to this partnership. We want to collaborate with more people, and that's why we are with you. We would like your support, your engagement, not only in what we are directly doing, but in also spreading the word, getting across to others in the Northeast who can engage with us. There might be individuals who are working in that area, and we can assist them with a grant or with some connections to other networks.
Can I just add something here?
Yeah.
I would just like to clarify that we are giving this not to a person with disabilities, but
Yes, that's
to
important.
someone or an organization who is working for for the benefit of children with disabilities. And this grant that we are giving, or this the foundation, is it's specifically for Northeastern.
Yes, it's for
Northeastern region in particular. So we are trying to sort of reach out to people in all the states of Northeast India, and this is obviously we've done it in Assam, and now we have come here. We'd like to go to other states as well, and to get as many applications as we can from people
who live
in the Northeast, and they could be anyone, somebody who's working, maybe somebody who's doing therapy, who's on a very positive.
You might have the question, so
yeah, that way also. So, to an individual or to a group of individuals, to an institution who is working in the field of, of children.
Disability inclusion. Fundamentally, we are looking at individuals who are below the, as the poster clearly says, below the age of 45, who work with children. Children are classified from 0 to 18. That's how we have identified. And these individuals may or may not be staying in the Northeast, right? They could be from the Northeast working elsewhere, staying elsewhere, or in the Northeast at grassroots levels, but they have to, in their application, clearly demonstrate how their work is going to impact, influence work which is happening in the Northeast.
We would like your help in that respect. If you can spread the message in your vernacular dailies or whatever, because everybody does not have the reach of an English paper, an English daily. So vernacular medium is very important for us.
And just to amplify one more point is the application process when they do get in touch with us. We've said get in touch with us first. So they can get in touch with us via email or they can get in touch via telephone. These are the two platforms. Because that way we can get into conversation and guide them as to how they can position their work to us. But the important thing for us is we are not restricted to English. In the final stage, when they are going to make their application, it is more than likely to be an audio file or a video file, 2-minute video file, which everybody can do nowadays, right? So they can give it in their language. Then it is up to us to select the panelists, to get panelists who will be able to understand what in the vernacular language. We are not restricting it because we are talking about inclusion.
So any language application. So because our language is our application, the format is
initially it's in English, but we will help if the application has to be made in a language other than English, it can be a video file, and that is fine. We are not constraining ourselves just to written application. We are aware that there might be very rich experience at the grassroots level, which may not necessarily be expressed in English.
These are young boys and girls who are working on these. So anybody who is trying to help, or say somebody is working in the field or to help children with autism. There are so many autistic children around, whether they are engaging in some therapy or anything else. So any individual or a group of people who are working.
Had a long day, feeling drained? Let Hello Meghalaya lift your mood. Right there on your phone. Movies, music, infotainment, live streams, all in one place. Content you can enjoy together, laugh together, learn together, right at home with your family. Easy to access, easy to download. Register in just a few simple steps. So why wait? Download Hello Meghalaya now.